It's Saturday the 17th of January 2015. This is a gold price chart in Australian dollars. So we had this big wedge pattern here in place for the last 2 years now almost. And just recently we've broken out of that pattern. And we saw this nice little flag pattern play out here as well, where it had the $100 rise, $150 rise on the Australian dollar weakness for the most part, US dollar strength, and this congestion zone, and then the breakout of the flag. And this is one of the best performing sort of patterns you're going to see. And the theory is that once you break out of the flag, the upside is the same as the original move. So there's quite a bit more in that 1650 sort of zone. And this 1520 1520 Australian dollars, that was also a sort of a bit of a resistance zone, I guess, and it's broken out above that this week as well. So now we're trading at almost 18-month highs. So this little about 1600 is the 18-month high there. So that's where we could be heading. I think it's obviously the support and resistance is a little bit difficult when you're looking at Australian dollar gold pricing, because it's not, people are trading the US dollar gold rather than, so that the psychological levels aren't necessarily as important as if it's a pure gold price chart, but I still think there's something in it. Obviously the best way you can get exposure to the Australian dollar gold price is, aside from buying gold in Australian dollars, is buying the stocks. So, but Northern Star and Regis are probably the two largest and most diversified in terms of number of mines, and both of those are up sort of 60 or 100% in the last 6 weeks. So, but if we're seeing a good situation here with the gold prices rallying in US dollars, but the Australian dollar is weak as well. So that's perfect for these Australian dollar gold producers. So I expect that to continue in the short term with the euro weakness and people looking to move into US dollars, and Australia's economic sort of fundamentals aren't that great either. So that's probably a solid trade to keep long on, I think.